Alright, 38. So, we're really trying to figure out how to graph data, right? Mm-hmm. And then, how are we going to describe the data? Like, is it linear? Is it non-linear? We're not going to talk about quadratics or anything, or exponential functions, but we do want to know, is it linear or non-linear? And is there a correlation, or is there no correlation? Okay? Now, if it's non-linear for right now, you're going to say no linear correlation. I don't like saying no correlation because that's not true. So, I'm always going to teach you how to do it the right way. Alright? So, the first step is graphing. So when we do x, we go 2 and 22. So that's going to be way up here. Guys, focus. Terrell. 4. Where does 16 go, Terrell? 4 and 16. Okay? 5 and 13. So that would be halfway between 12 and 14, right?
Yes, sir.
5 and 16. So let me ask you. We talked about functions earlier in the year. Is this a function?
Yeah. No.
No. Why not?
Because you can't make a line.
Because
5.
you can't have two x's be the same number. If the x comes up twice, it's not a function. Okay? So this is data, but we can't create a function that'll match this data. Does that make sense? Alright, so continue on. 6 and 13. So that would be halfway up again. 8 and 4. So that's way down low. 8 and 12. That's up higher. 8 and 14. 9 and 7.
I'm gonna fall asleep again.
9 and 7. 7.
Uncle.
Terrell, where's 10 and 5?
Terrell.
Does it go here and here?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
10 and then 5.
Told you, Charles.
Quit calling me uncle.
I didn't even call you.
Eh? Alright,
Call me Uncle.
so what's going on here? Does this have a linear correlation? Right? Could you, does it look pretty much like it's lined up?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a line. In fact, if I wanted to, I could kind of draw a line that would cut this in half. This is where we want to get to eventually.
Yes.
Okay? Oh, not quite. So we can draw a line through most of the data. It looks like the data pretty much gathers around that line. So we're going to say, is this a positive slope or negative slope?
Negative.
Negative. Okay? So this is a negative linear correlation. Okay? Now, for extra credit, what is the R value, approximate? First of all, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. The R value would be negative. Okay? And it's always 0 point something. So, is this really close to a line? Or is it a little thicker than a line?
Thicker.
Thicker, right?
Yeah.
So in this case,
Like me.
a 0.8 or a negative 0.7, somewhere around here is what I would accept as a good R value. Okay? Remember, anything less than a 6 means that there's no correlation. So as you're getting to look something like this, like it looks like there is correlation, but for the most part, it's just a little bit too wide to be correlated, right? This would be what I call a negative 0.6. Sorry, right? So yeah, you could draw a line through it, but it's almost like I shot it with the shotgun. It's only kind of lucky that there's a line.
Yes, sir.
Does that make sense?
No, sir.
No? Just remember, the more you get the closer it gets to 0. Okay? The more it looks like 0, the closer it gets to 0. The more it looks like a 1, hey, are you paying attention? The more it looks like a 1, the closer you get to 1.
Yes, sir.
So, what would this one be?
That would be,
If it went through every single point?
that's like a 0.
No. That would be a
21T.
negative 1, right? Because it's down, and every point is on the line.
Oh, now I get it.
So if every point's on the line, now what if 1 point's off?
Alright, then it's a negative 0.1.
Point. Okay? And then it goes like this. 0.8. 7.
Never mind, you lost me.
6. You see how this is getting more to be like a shotgun?
Okay. No to 8.
Once it gets to here, it gets almost to 0.
It looks like Anthony's aim.
So at this point, we're at
That is blue.
0.2, and so this, to be honest with you, if this were a perfect circle, right,
Yeah.
then this would have an R value of 0. As soon as it goes outside that circle, it becomes 0.1.
Oh,
Okay.
I still don't get it.
So we try.
You said I don't.
You know, we know it takes you a little while. You know, we're working with you. Okay. All right, there you go. That's number 38.